Hi everyone, welcome back to English Chat Corner TV. Do you know how to ask about prices in English? How much is it? Is it on sale? Is there a discount? Is tax included? Is this the final price? Today, we'll learn these simple phrases through real-life shopping situations. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps me create more helpful lessons for you.
Hey, Elena, what are you doing today?
I'm going shopping.
Nice. What do you want to buy?
Maybe some clothes, some food, and a few things for my home.
That sounds like a lot of shopping.
Yes, but I have one problem.
What's the problem?
I don't always know what to say when I want to ask about prices.
Ah, that's easy. Today, let's practice talking about prices.
Great! I really need that.
You can use a very simple question.
What's the question?
How much is it?
How much is it?
Exactly. And if you are talking about more than one thing, you can say, how much are they?
How much are they?
Perfect.
Okay, I'm ready to go shopping.
Let's go.
Jonah, I like this shirt.
It looks nice.
I like the color too.
Why don't you ask the price?
Okay, how should I ask?
You can say, how much is this shirt?
How much is this shirt?
Good.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $20.
$20?
Yes, it's $20.
Oh, okay.
You can also simply say, how much is it?
How much is it?
It's $20.
That's easy.
Yes. How much is it is one of the most useful questions when shopping.
Jonah, what about these t-shirts?
They look comfortable.
I like these two.
Then ask about the price.
How much is it?
Wait, you're talking about 2 t-shirts?
Oh, right.
Say, how much are they?
How much are they?
They are $15 each.
$15 each?
Yes, one shirt is $15.
So 2 shirts are $30?
That's right.
Okay, now I understand.
Remember, one thing. How much is it?
2 or more things. How much are they?
Exactly.
I want to ask about this bag.
Go ahead.
How much is this bag?
It's $35.
Can I also say, how much does it cost?
Yes, that's another useful question.
How much does it cost?
It costs $35.
So, how much is it and how much does it cost mean almost the same thing?
Yes.
That's helpful.
You can use either one when you want to know the price.
Let me try again. Excuse me, how much does this bag cost?
It costs $35.
Thank you. I'm getting hungry.
Then let's buy some food.
Look, these apples look good.
They do.
How much are these apples?
They are $3 a kilogram.
$3 a kilogram?
Yes,
What about these bananas?
they are $2 a kilogram.
The bananas are cheaper.
Yes, they are.
So when food is sold by weight, the price can be for 1 kilogram.
Exactly.
That's useful to know.
You might also hear $2 per kilogram.
Per kilogram?
Yes, per means for each.
So $3 per kilogram means $3 for 1 kilogram.
Correct.
That's easy. How much are these bottles?
They're $1 each.
$1 each?
Yes.
If I buy 3 bottles, that's $3.
That's right.
What if I buy 5?
$5.
Okay. Each means everyone.
Exactly.
$1 each.
Right.
So if something costs $5 each, 2 of them cost $10.
Perfect.
I'm getting better at this.
You are.
Wow, I really like this jacket.
Try it on.
I will. It fits well.
It looks great on you.
How much is it?
It's $80.
$80?
That's quite expensive.
Yes, it's too expensive for me.
You can say, that's too expensive.
That's too expensive.
Or, it's more than I want to spend.
That's useful. It's more than I want to spend.
Exactly.
I like the jacket, but I don't want to spend $80.
That's a good way to explain your decision.
Jonah, look at this.
What is it?
A t-shirt for only $5?
That's cheap.
Yes, it's very affordable.
Affordable means you can pay for it without spending too much money.
So I can say, it's affordable.
Yes.
This shirt is affordable.
Good.
And it's only $5.
Sounds like a good deal.
What's a good deal?
It means something is offered at a good price.
Ah, so this shirt is a good deal.
Exactly.
These shoes are beautiful.
Do you want to buy them?
Maybe, but let's check the price first. Excuse me, how much are these shoes?
They're $60.
$60.
You can ask about a discount.
Really?
Yes. You can say, is there a discount?
Is there a discount?
Yes, they're 20% off today.
Really?
Yes.
That's great.
You can also ask, is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Yes, it is on sale.
Perfect. Jonah, what does 20% off mean?
It means the original price is reduced by 20%.
So I don't pay the full price?
Correct.
The shoes were $60,
Right.
and they are 20% off.
Yes.
So the price is lower now.
Exactly.
I hear on sale a lot.
On sale means the item has a special lower price.
So I can say, these shoes are on sale,
Yes.
and these shoes are 20% off.
Perfect.
I like both of these bags.
Which one do you like more?
I like the black one.
What about the price?
Let's see. The black bag is $40.
And the brown one?
The brown one is $30.
So, which one is cheaper?
The brown one is cheaper.
Right.
The black one is more expensive.
Exactly.
The brown bag is $10 cheaper.
Good comparison.
I like the black one more, but the brown one is cheaper.
Which one will you choose?
I need to think about it. Jonah, this sign says $25 now.
Yes.
Was it always $25?
Maybe not.
How can I ask?
You can say, what was the original price?
What was the original price?
The original price was $40.
Wow, Now it's only $25.
Yes, it's on sale.
That's a big difference.
You can also ask, how much was it before?
How much was it before?
It was $40.
Now I understand the discount better. I like this one.
How much is it?
It's $45.
Are you gonna buy it?
Maybe, but I want to ask one more question.
What question?
Is this the final price?
Good question.
Excuse me, is this the final price?
Yes, it is.
Are there any extra fees?
No, there are no extra fees.
Okay, so I pay $45.
That's correct.
Great. Thank you. Jonah, I see a price tag that says $50.
Okay.
Is the final price $50?
It depends on the store.
Why?
Sometimes tax is added at checkout.
So the price on the tag may not be the final price?
That's possible.
How can I ask?
You can say, is tax included?
Is tax included?
Yes, tax is included.
Great!
Or you can ask, does this price include tax?
Does this price include tax?
Yes, it does.
That's very useful when shopping. I'm thirsty.
Let's order something.
I want an iced coffee.
I'll get a tea.
Excuse me, how much is the iced coffee?
It's $4.
And how much is the tea?
It's $3.
Okay, one iced coffee and one tea, please.
Sure.
Elena, how much are our drinks together?
The coffee is $4 and the tea is $3.
So?
$7.
Exactly.
Talking about prices is useful everywhere, not just in clothing stores.
Here's your bill.
Thank you.
Let's check it.
The iced coffee is $4.
And the tea is $3.
That's $7.
Yes.
Wait, what's this extra charge?
Let's ask.
Excuse me, what is this charge?
That's the service charge.
Oh, I see.
It's always good to check the bill.
Yes, I want to make sure the price is correct.
Of course.
Thank you for explaining. This market is so busy.
Yes, there are lots of things to buy.
Look at these bags.
They look nice.
Excuse me, how much is this bag?
$10.
$10?
Yes.
That's a little expensive for me.
I can give you a better price.
Really?
$8.
$8?
Yes.
Could you make it $7?
Okay. $7.
Great, I'll take it.
Nice job.
Thank you.
You asked politely and you got a better price.
I'm happy with my new bag. Oh, I like this one too.
Ask the price.
Excuse me, how much is this?
$25.
$25?
Yes.
That's more than I want to spend.
You can politely say that you don't want it.
Thank you, but I'll think about it.
No problem.
Or can I say, I'll pass?
Yes, I'll pass means you don't want to buy it.
I'll pass. Thank you.
That's polite.
I don't need to buy everything I like.
Exactly. That's an important shopping skill.
Jonah, I want to buy this phone case online.
How much is it?
It says $12.
Does that include shipping?
Let me check.
Good idea.
Oh, shipping is $3.
So what's the total?
$12 plus $3.
So?
$15.
Right.
Wait, there's also a discount code.
Really?
Yes, I can save $2.
So what's the final price?
$13.
Nice.
Online, I need to check the final price before I pay.
Exactly. So, Elena, what did you learn today?
A lot.
Let's review.
Okay.
How do you ask about one item?
How much is it?
Good. What about two or more items?
How much are they?
Excellent. Another question?
How much does it cost?
Perfect.
I also learned, how much does this cost?
Good.
And I learned how to ask about discounts.
How?
Is there a discount?
Great.
Is this on sale?
Excellent.
I also learned too expensive, cheaper, more expensive, affordable, and good deal.
Very good.
And I learned how to say that I don't want something.
What can you say?
I'll pass. Thank you.
Perfect.
Today was really useful.
Yes, remember, you don't need difficult English to talk about prices.
Simple English is enough.
Exactly.
Ask the price, understand the price, compare the price, and make your choice.
That's it.
And don't forget to check the final price before you pay.
Great advice.
Listen and repeat practice. Now let's practice some useful sentences together. Get ready? How much is it? How much are they? How much does it cost? How much does this cost? Is there a discount? Is this on sale? That's too expensive. That's a good deal. This one is cheaper. I'll pass, thank you. Is tax included? Is this the final price? What was the original price? Great job today! Now you can talk about prices in English. You can ask about prices at a store, at a supermarket, at a cafe, at a local market, and even when shopping online. Keep practicing these simple sentences and don't be afraid to speak English. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps me create more helpful lessons for you.